Flint West reporting from the macro frontier. Today's dispatch: altcoins, treasuries, and the mirage of market-made prosperity. It started with a bold move. Michael Saylor looked at the US dollar, melting in real time, and made the call of the decade. Replace bonds and cash reserves with Bitcoin. Not for speculation, for survival. Because in a world where the money printer runs hot and the Fed plays games with time, only hard assets stand still. Bitcoin was the one honest constant, and it worked. MicroStrategy's stock mooned, not because of hype, but because it locked arms with digital scarcity. The signal was clear. Saylor chose a monetary asset with conviction. But now, the copycats are crawling out of the woodwork. New altcoin companies, token treasuries, mystery orgs, all playing dress-up in the Saylor suit. Only difference? They're buying their own tokens, or tokens from adjacent chains they're secretly tied to, and calling it a reserve strategy. Let me break that down. These tokens aren't Bitcoin. They aren't scarce. They aren't battle-tested. They're gas tokens used to run smart contract networks. That's it. They're not a store of value, and sure as hell not a hedge against global debasement. But here's the hustle. They don't care, because Wall Street still doesn't speak crypto fluently. So if you're a listed company and you say, we've added crypto to the balance sheet, most TradFi suits assume you're talking about Bitcoin or something close to it. They buy your stock thinking they're getting safe exposure. It's not exposure. It's exploitation. A regulatory workaround to bait inflows into stocks with phantom reserves. Meanwhile, the chains behind these tokens are half-baked. No stablecoin, no DEX, no token infra, NFT layer, fiat on-ramp, nothing. Just a bag of vapor and a hired market maker. Let me be blunt. You don't get to signal monetary strength with your own pre-mined junk. This is narrative arbitrage dressed as innovation. You're not building, you're baiting. And Wall Street? They're catching on. Real value, usage, price. Not the other way around. So unless you're stacking Bitcoin or building primitives that generate organic demand, your treasury play is just a stock pump with a fancy brochure. End of transmission. #FlintWest rides again.